Ah yeah, hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready. Let's go. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Me no care about all the noise, but I'm digging your station. See how you got my head spinning with a body rotation. Couple days went by, now I'm losing my patience. Go ahead, drop a pin, girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. I didn't feel like with her we can take over nations, yeah. We can take a trip whenever, girl, you need a vacation. Number one bad girl, killing everything like on a mission. Girl on a mission. Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty. All I need from you. I'm thinking you be the one for me. I can see it on you. Your love that do me every time. With you by my side, we gon' shine. Baby girl, you know you royalty. I've been waiting for you. Yeah. Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah. Saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Babe, sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now, yeah. Need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you. Did it for love, no escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Dang, don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. I found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it.
To myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. Yeah, I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having, no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business. Count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new stream today. I'm very excited to have you guys all here. What's happening family? Welcome back to the Limitless Trading Academy, where we go live 4 days a week, 4 hours a day, making sure that you are gonna become a better trader while executing trades on a regular basis. I'm very excited today. Yesterday was a beautiful day to observe the market, to wait patiently. However, we took a position together from the weekly analysis. This was the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. Successful trade. Today we took a successful trade as well. We took a beautiful Australian dollar against the US dollar trade position as well. Right now I'm looking to short the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, guys. That's why I'm straight away right now where we are right now at this particular moment. I am actually looking for a position here. Before we start, I quickly want to mention exactly what we are seeing right now, which is this potential opportunity on the market. When we break this low here to come down, I have attempted to see if we can take out the London lows here. We have not been taking out the Asian low, the London low. We have been taken out or manipulated the Asian high already. We tapped into that beautiful area of supply right here, as you guys can see on the 30-minute. We have news coming shortly as well. So I do like what I see here in this case. Plus the fact that we're also looking at particular reasons for the dollar index as well. I'm looking for the dollar to come back up to tap in in that zone. We're actually coming right now pretty much retesting this area of demand right now. After we took out all that liquidity to the upside, we came back down. The question is, are we gonna go for our next rally right now? If that's the case, then this trade will definitely play out right here. So I'm tempted to look for a potential short opportunity right here for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar right here. I'm looking forward to a potential trade setup right there. So this is gonna be nice. Also, guys, we're going to talk about gold. We're going to talk about a few other topics as well. So I hope you guys are ready and are actually ready for a beautiful day of trading as well. Potentially some scalping setups. Let's see what we can find today. But overall, I do like what I see here for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Potentially, if we break this low and we close underneath that zone, I'm more than interested in taking a short position to the downside right now. Looking at this particular chart right here. Okay, so this is the number one. Let's see how we play out here. This could be a very nice nice trade setup, potentially coming down, taking out these lows, coming back to this area of consolidation after we saw that rejection on this area of supply already, creating a lower low, filling up that inefficiency right here, putting your stop loss above that area right there. Going for, you don't have to go for a massive RR trade. You can easily go for, you know, a 3 to 1 kind of setup here, as long as it makes a lot of sense. But I would be a little bit patient, wait a little bit longer, but we're looking for potential setups right here. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys are all talking about the World Cup. I'm very curious what you guys think, who you guys are supporting. If so, let me know in the channel right here, and we're gonna make it happen. There is a problem with my camera. I don't know exactly what the problem is here, but I will figure it out in a second, very shortly. But in the meantime, guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. It's gonna be fantastic. What's happening with my camera? Let's have a look here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see, guys. Give me 1 second here. Oh, okay, I think this is something to do with this right here. Let's take a look. Let's change it a little bit. Let's see. Alright, it's good enough for me right now. Let's go, guys. I'm looking forward to a beautiful trading opportunity. Who do we have in the building right here? Also, guys, give me a little update. Who is ready for a beautiful day of trading today? Who do you have in the building right here? It's gonna be a very good week. I have a very good feeling about the market. But feelings are not always accurate here. Alright? We have Billy Joe in the building, my man. What's happening? Good morning. We have Lionel, says good evening. Jonathan, good morning. Emir says hello. Benjamin is back. What's happening, my man? How are you? Kirui, yes sir. Hartley, my man. Chris, Tarek, Johnny Berendong, yes. Absolutely fantastic here. What's happening with the chat as well? Let's see what's happening with the chat. A lot of things we need to fix today. Anyways, we have all the time in the world to get this thing started here. Gonna be completely fine here. Jamie in the building. My man is back from holiday. How are you, my man? Hope you're doing well, my friend. We're gonna talk about every single pair today. SA57 Gaming, what's happening? Welcome back, my bro. Tariq is back. Welcome back. Chris, Hannes, yes. Leon. Fantastic, man. Jack from Cape Town, what's good, my man? Pipski, I love your name. Pipski. Nick, Margaret, yes. DK Flo. Shiro. John. Amazing, John, welcome back as well. Logan, doing very well, my friend. You look radiant. Yes, I have no idea what's happening here, but I'll fix it next stream. It's fine. It's all good. All right. So guys, we're looking potentially for a short here. I'm waiting for it to break the lows here, potentially coming in to get triggered into our low position on the lower time frames, potentially. Let's see how this plays out here, but I want to definitely break these particular lows right there. Put my stop loss underneath and then target potentially the London lows here, which could be a very, very interesting move as well. All right, that's number one. Then talking about the dollar right now, the fact that we are coming up is, in my opinion, a very, very good sign here. Potentially tapping up and coming back a little bit higher could be a fantastic trade opportunity right there. All right, so this is definitely something that we're looking for and that I'm interested in to see how the dollar is reacting right now in this potential retracement right here, potentially creating new highs or breaking this low. Okay, very, very important. What are we going to do? We're going to stay above this range, or are we, you know, actually going to fall below it and then from that moment potentially look for a different scenario back to the Sunday open right here. As you guys know, with the Sunday open, we opened bullish straight away. Today is of course Tuesday and we're immediately reversing. You guys know that. We're immediately reversing here. So today is a very, very important day. And the question is, where are we going to close? Are we going to close above that area or below that area? Okay. Very, very important here. Then gold, of course, directly came down here. That's quite interesting here in terms of what's happening for gold. We came down, but we're exactly right now back at the Sunday open. Again, this could be a beautiful short opportunity as well for gold. And the reason why is because of the Sunday open right here, right? Let's say we are back at the Sunday open right now. The dollar comes up, then this is of course a beautiful area to short from. This is just the way it is. If you look at the Sunday open, it can always act as an area of resistance right here. We have this area of supply right here, which is causing, of course, a lot of resistance right here. Look at that beautiful zone. We saw that rally, that base, that massive expansion. We still have a little bit of imbalance to be filled here. So I think that there is a chance that we can come up into that zone. But this is a very interesting zone to short potentially gold from as well. Do take that in consideration, as I still believe there is more downside potential for gold in the very, very short term here. So this is very interesting as well. The fact that we are almost there. Coming back to the Sunday open where we opened the market, and now already, heading into our Wednesday very shortly, it's coming very close here, which is quite interesting as well, tapping into that beautiful, rally based drop, the massive expansion to the downside right here. But also gold is actually looking quite interesting in my opinion right now. But this is something that we can definitely take in consideration also when potentially, looking for any particular setups at the same time. All right. On a side note as well, we were also looking at a couple other trade setups. One was of course the euro against the Australian dollar. I mentioned this already on the lower time frames in the weekly analysis. One of our trade setups from the weekly analysis was the Australian dollar. Let me see where it was. The Australian dollar against the US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's have a look here. All right, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another week. Let's see where it is. Let's see where it is. If you can find it here, this is the USD cut. You have the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen right here, I think. Let's see where it is. I highly recommend you guys to join our Discord. You can join our Discord for free, and you can look this pretty much these weekly analysis up every. I will release it pretty much every Monday or Sunday, depending on the market. So you guys are completely prepared here for potential, setups during the week. So if you want to join, links in the description. You can know, where the find us right there. Let's see what we have here. This is the euro against the Australian dollar. Euro against the Japanese yen is something that we're looking for. Definitely. What else did we have? The euro against the Japanese yen here. I didn't know where it was. I think it was here. There we go. Up into that range to potentially come back towards this area right here. Tap into that zone and to potentially come back down into that specific area right here. Putting my position right there. Stop loss above that high. And then potentially target this particular level. Again, a beautiful 5-to-1 potential setup that I really, really like. And then potentially come into play right here. So again, today, that was the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. And what happened at that specific moment, we actually beautifully tapped into that zone. It was absolutely fantastic range here. We almost got stopped out, but we managed to survive right there. Tapped into that zone. Our stop loss was a little bit higher. We came back down, and of course we took out exactly what we wanted to take out, was pretty much the London lows here. And where did we go to? This was absolutely fantastic. This was the London low here. What happened? We took out the London low and boom, we immediately reversed back to the upside right there. So that was a beautiful trade example that we took from our weekly analysis right there. So you'll find all these opportunities right there in the market right there. Absolutely fantastic. Great potential setup that we were trading yesterday from the weekly analysis as well. It's always great to see these setups play out perfectly for you guys. So you guys are completely prepared and ready for what's coming right here. Today we did pretty much the same thing. We were looking at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And the reason why I took this one was also because of the sessions here. And we're going to introduce right now a little bit more of these sessions, especially during the SMC, setups right here. And what we are potentially looking for. It's very important to take in consideration. I think you guys are ready for the next step here. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to talk more about, readiness, supply, demand, of course, which already many of you guys understand. We're going to talk right now also about the sessions and the manipulation of the Asian, the London high and low. Very interesting, especially, when certain patterns occur, which we're going to talk about. So what happened here? We saw that the Asian high was not taken out. The London high was not taken out. The New York high was not taken out. We opened here and we created that zone here. So at that particular moment, I knew for a fact that somewhere around this range right there, we could have gone for potential opportunity. All right, so I wanted to take a position. I was a little bit too late here. So I waited in this case for the Asian session to open up, to tap into that zone. Wait, give me 1 second. There we go. To tap into that area. We saw that rejection to the downside. And then what I saw here was that we created that higher high. And then I thought this is the perfect zone to go long from, to potentially target now, in this case, even the Asian session. Because I knew that in this case, I expected the Asian session to directly take out the London session. But that did not happen. Okay? That did not happen. So what did we do? We started to consolidate underneath. Again, building more liquidity to the upside right here. But this was very interesting. The fact that we did not take out these Asian highs right there. Or the New York high with these Asian highs rather than building more liquidity. That was for me the game changer. Directly to go long here beautifully during the London Open. And what happened during the London Open? We immediately took out the Asian high, the New York high, and even the London high right there. So absolutely fantastic trade. I closed my position around the previous weekly low, which is right here. But anyways, a beautiful setup, beautiful trade. And this is what we're doing. And this is really nice when looking for potential opportunities in the market here. So this is very similar to what we are seeing right now happening for the New Zealand dollar, for example. This is one of them that I'm potentially looking for. And that's taking out potentially the London low and the Asian low here. Potentially after tapping into this 30-minute area of supply right now. If we are tempted to break these lows on the lower time frame, I'm tempted to look for a short position coming back down. And it could happen this stream. I do believe so. Especially with news coming out as well for the New Zealand dollar, which is quite important right there. Another one that's interesting right now is again, the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. We tapped into that zone. We got rejected here. The thing is, we're building liquidity on the upside. So I want to break some lows here. But again, the London low, the Asian low. The London did not take out the Asian session here. The Asian did not take out the New York. And the New York did not take out the London. So again, there is so much liquidity built up underneath these areas right now. From all these sessions here. That I do believe that this is super important. That is definitely something we could take in consideration. And that's definitely the reason for me potentially to look for any short opportunities as well. For the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. As well as the next very important thing here. And that is the Japanese yen coming back down already significantly right here. We took out already a lot of liquidity for the Japanese yen right now. And we start to consolidate at this particular moment, leaving us with a massive amount of, imbalance above this particular range right here. So again, this is another reason why I'm potentially looking for, more downside potential as well for the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen for that particular reason as well. So besides all of that, I'm more than excited to look for opportunities in the market, especially for these two pairs, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar and the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen right here. This is quite interesting already that we're seeing that rejection right now and that we have so much liquidity built up underneath this area, which is also automatically all of these particular sessions, the London low, the Asian low, and so on and so on. So two beautiful trade setups that we cannot neglect here potentially for the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And again, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Of course, because of the following news right here, the interest rate decision, which is quite interesting. And then we have the the rate statement and the press conference as well. Okay, so this is very interesting. I like the fact that we are already getting rejected right now, and I also like the fact that we're seeing the same thing happening right here, potentially coming back down, filling up that gap and stuff, and so on and so on. Okay, keep you guys updated about when I'm actually, you know, continuing here. But this is absolutely fantastic, right there. Okay, looking forward to that. All right, I think we are kind of ready to give it a go here. Let's wait for these two to play out here. We're gonna go over a few more charts. So if you guys want to give me some of your charts right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over them. We're gonna look for some scalping setups as well. In the meantime, waiting for these two potential trade setups to play out here to see how that particular trade will actually go. Okay, very excited here to see how both things will play out here. Build different says, I'm in GJ shorts. Can you have a look at it? Alkiu Kumar says GU. Alright. Yeah, let's go over. Are you in the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar? We're gonna keep you guys updated about what we're gonna do here. We are not in our trade yet. I'm waiting for it to break these lows here significantly and close here underneath that zone. Let's go over GJ. I think that's an interesting one indeed to go over to right now. So what we're seeing right now on the GJ pairs here is that we are trying to come up here. We tapped into that zone. This is a beautiful order block right here. You know, a really, really nice one actually. Tapping into that area of demand, coming back up here, potentially coming up further to take out some of that liquidity right here. I would not be surprised if that will actually happen here. So I'm not sure in what kind of trade you are. Are you in GJ shorts from this particular moment right there? Let's have a little look. We have another zone on the 10-minute here. Let me check here. Yeah, this indecisive candle right here. We're getting rejected right here. We'll go on the lower time frame. What I sometimes do to confirm my setups, especially when you are tapping into an area of supply. What if you just wait, you know, rather than entering here and putting your stop loss here, what if you just wait for this to be broken, then place a short right underneath and put your stop loss above this high, and then target, you know, lower levels here. That could be nice, right? Because then you have a more confirmation, and in essence, if you put it here, pretty much your risk to reward is almost the same. That's the beauty. Your risk to reward is almost the same, but you have a confirmation. So yeah, this is very, very nice. I do like this strategy sometimes here. We're going to go a little bit deeper on, I'll talk about this here. But to be honest, I do believe that there is a big chance that the Japanese yen can make a move short term, you know, up a little bit indeed here. I do think that is definitely possible. Let me see if there's some other things we need to take consideration as well in regards to today's news. Let me check real quick. The Japanese yen, the core CPI came out here. Okay, that's all good. The retail sales here. Okay, no, nothing spectacular. Perfect. Yeah, so I do believe that this is definitely a possibility here in regards to the Japanese yen potentially coming back up here in the short term. I do believe that that is definitely possible after we taken out massive amount of liquidity here. And look at that massive gap as well. The same thing we're pretty much seeing right here happening right now. I think that's very, very important to take consideration as well. So anything indeed short, I would agree on that particular part for GJ as well. Same as, you know, the Australian dollar against Japanese yen as well here. But I would like to wait for a confirmation trade. Let's go over a couple more. Amir says, Lorenzo, do you use dynamic risk management for passing funded challenges? That's a very, very good question, my friend. And I do think so, yeah. I do think so. However, I would not start out like that. I would definitely wait a little bit longer. I would not just randomly, you know, start out actually looking for, you know, dynamic risk management, I would keep it more consistent here. However, for me, it works very well when I accept the fact that I go for a little bit lower risk to reward, to give myself a little bit more breathing space, to decrease the lot size a little bit, depending on, you know, the risk to reward. And then just, you know, trying to look for particular opportunities in the market like that. So there is not that much pressure and not that super tight stop losses right here. For, you know, passing a challenge, that could be very, very beneficial. And the reason why that could be is, of course, for, you know, multiple reasons. But if you are in 1% profit, you know, even like less, you can do a re-entry. So preserving your capital is always more important than, you know, risking everything. So if you do not pass your challenge, do not feel the rush to do that within a month. Just give yourself more time. And I think that helping yourself with a dynamic risk management, you know, extending your overall, you know, streaming, you know, risk a little bit more, extending your overall risk to reward could be very, very beneficial. So yes, I agree. Pip the Story says, will you continue live streaming on YouTube when V2 begins? Yes. For at the beginning, yes, but I want to transition more towards the community and live trade with the community. What else do we have, guys? We have the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Okay, we're gonna go over this one. In the meantime, guys, if you guys can help me out tremendously by smashing that like button, you know, that's the only thing I'm asking. We're doing a lot of trades together. You know, the only thing that I'm asking is just if you can like my channel, to highly, you know, help me out with the algorithm. I know, you know, this is how the game works, right? So thank you for that. Let's go over this Australian dollar, US dollar. Couple more setups. And then we're going to go over, let's see if we can find some beautiful scalping setups here. Yeah, we have taken out all of these highs here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's go back to the 1 hourly. We are seeing that rejection here. Right there on the 30 minute. There we go. 30 minute drop, rally based drop. Here we go. This is the rally, the base, this is the drop. This is that zone here. 3 candle as well. Beautiful. Very, very clean. Of course, you're going to see a reaction from that zone here. And what do we see? We're seeing that reaction. So very, very nice. I do like it a lot. We have taken out and manipulated already the Asian high. So when New York opens and the dollar comes up potentially, we can potentially come back down here. I would not be surprised if we do so. Okay. So yes, I like the fact. I like what I see here. But the question is, are we going to take out the London high first? So be a little bit patient here with the Australian dollar. I do not see a direct entry right now. Yes, on the lower time frame, you can start looking for this particular zone. People are already getting rejected here. This is a nice area. We're actually right there right now, which is nice. But I will be a little bit patient here. A little bit patient, wait for more, a cleaner reaction. And accept a little bit of a lower risk to reward here. That's what I would suggest here. It's all about securing and preserving your capital, ladies and gentlemen. It's really how the game works. Alright? It's really how the game works here and how it's super important to do so. Okay, let's do one more chart here. Yeah, gold is very interesting. I'm definitely looking for gold shorts here today. However, I do want to wait for this particular zone here. I really want to wait, and I know we're coming down already. We have this breaker block right here. That's reacting, right? This one right there. So I do see that. Let's go on the lower time frame. What are we seeing here? Okay, yeah, it's definitely that zone. Yeah, okay. Actually, pretty nice here. It could be a nice short actually. Now I'm looking at it in the you know, as a scalp maybe to start with. Sunday open is right there, of course. Taking out the London low, the London low. I would love to go a little bit higher, to be honest. I would love to induce people to go short here. Take them out. Tap into the Sunday open. Tapping into that particular zone. Then make the move down. I'm going to be a little bit careful here. I want to wait for the zone. If I miss out, it's all fine. We're looking at some other trade setups as well. Like the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. The Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. We have not taken out this low as well. No, I'm going to wait here. I want to come into the Sunday open here. Let's see if that actually happens. Kids1 says shorts from 70.50, 70.52. I completely agree. That's definitely what I'm looking for. Yeah, let's see how that goes. But hey, this could be a good sign as well for our other trade setup, which is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar here. All right, let's go over the chart slides. Let's go over the low time frame. We're gonna look for some scalping setups. We have done 118 trades together. Let's see how many more we can do. Gonna be nice. Gonna be very nice here. Keep you guys updated about the other setups as well. Volume is incoming. That's a good sign here. What about GJ? Yeah, I would wait to break any lows for GJ as far as we're seeing. And if it's breaking that zone, I would see it as an invalidated setup. If it break that area of supply. So then I would not trade it. Then I would wait a little bit. It's good to be back, guys. Good to be with all of you guys. Tomorrow, our interview will be released with Crypto. It's a 45-minute interview. One of my first live interviews I've done here on our channel. So if you guys want to see that, support it. Would be absolutely fantastic. You know, one of my first interviews in general, actually, and that, of course, live here in Bali, Indonesia. Absolutely fantastic. Let's see what we have here. Let's see if we can find something here. Matty says, why did you choose Crypto? I heard he's living people's liquidations, affiliate link. I don't understand. I don't understand what you mean. Oh, GG already broke it. Okay, that's definitely invalidated. That's why we wanted to wait for this low to be broken here. Okay, that's interesting. Let's wait for... We broke pretty far. And this is invalidated. Why is it that you're so bearish on GJ? I think that the Japanese yen will make a retracement soon during the treasury bonds. Of the US yield government bond, 2-year yield. The US treasuries, they're going to be sold here. So I think the Japanese yen will make a short-term retracement to the upside here. Matt says, I heard he's making money from affiliate links and his followers liquidations. Is it true or not? Yeah, it's kind of... I'm not sure really like what you're trying to say here. Because he makes money... if you are an affiliate, just the term affiliate, right? You make also money when people win. So not only when people lose. You just make money. And I think he did a great job here, that... Let's have a look at what else we can find. Mr. Chris says, where can I chat? I want to ask more detail about the V2 registration. You can send me a message, my man, on Discord. Join our Discord as well if you want to join. We have a lot of things there. Our Manta charts there. You know, our weekly analysis. And we have an event here. We have live events as well. All right, let's see. Let's see what the New Zealand dollar is doing right now. New Zealand, okay, it's coming up a little bit. Yeah, we want to see a 15-minute candle body closure underneath this area, and then I'm looking for short here. Potentially, then, yeah, we can even put our stop loss a little bit tighter, depending on the pretty much how the candles are looking like here. So that could be very, very nice. Yeah, pretty much in the last week, all the live trades that we took here. Man, last week was beautiful. We made a lot of profitable trades here. With one pair only, the whole week. And that was GU. We traded GU, I think 4 times, I think. And Friday was also very, very nice. Taking out the London lows here. So yes. Let's stick with this momentum, ladies and gentlemen. So far, we are doing good. The Australian dollar, US dollar this morning. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen yesterday. So let's see what we can do today. In the New York session here. Tomorrow, extremely high news. Will you be trading? Yes, I think so. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, tomorrow we had a lot of news. Yeah. Let me check what exactly we had. What was it again? A lot of US dollar news. Let me check real quick. Okay, we had British pound news here, Japan holiday, which is interesting. Then we have the building permits, the core durable goods order, the initial jobless claims. Okay, that's a good one. We have a report from the Fed. Okay. All right. Yes, interesting. Now, interesting. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day. I think, yeah, we will be trading this. Definitely. It's gonna be a circus. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. There's something with my camera, guys. I don't know what it is. I need to fix that. Let me check real quick. It's a little bit blurry. Let's see. Oh, anyways, next time. Gonna be fine. Lorenzo, do we have an event today? I'm still unlucky with the events. Maybe one day I'll win something. Which events do you mean, brother? Yeah, we have a lot of events. Tomorrow we have a massive event, by the way. We have our a V2 special event. I definitely want you guys to be there. We have over 181 guys joining already. So my question is, if you want to come tomorrow to our biggest event we ever gave in our Discord community. We've never gave an event like this. We're going to do a lot of giveaways and so on and so on. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Then click on that button, I'm interested. First of all, join our Discord if you're not in the Discord. Click on the button, I'm interested. It's going to be massive. It's going to be massive. We're going to talk about the complete vision of our server, giveaways, you know, multiple guests. It's going to be great. In the meantime, we're looking for some very, very nice setups. I'm just keeping a very close eye on the New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar right here. Just so you guys know that. We have created a break of structure to the downside here. Which is in essence pretty good. We are holding. I want to see this potential, the Asian London session getting taken out to right there. I would not be surprised if the Japanese yen comes up here. Makes a potential move to the upside. After coming into this particular zone here. This whole area pretty much. It's this particular range. Right here. It's a complete area right here. This is exactly what I wanna. Potential retracement here is not unlikely. It's definitely not unlikely here. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. We're gonna keep a close eye on it. In the meantime, we're gonna scalp here and look for potential scalping setups right now. David says, Lorenzo, once we click on the link, what else do we need to do? Just wait until the event on Discord. Once it launches, you can join. It says join event here. You will get a notification as well. Or you should be able to get a notification. Let me check if that's actually the case. Yeah, I think you should. Yeah, you should get a notification here. But guys, honestly, last week we made a lot of profitable trades together. I hope this week will be the same. But like I always say, do not rush it. Right here, we're gonna look for some scalping setups right now. Okay, USD cut is one of them. Potentially. Breaking this low here. Yeah, absolutely. Breaking this particular low. Scalping this potential, you know, momentum to the downside. Taking out some of that liquidity here. Potentially looking for a trade setup right here. There we go. Thomas, my man, how are you doing, man? Doing fantastic. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Ashra says, how are you? How are you? Where are you from? I'm originally from the Netherlands, but I do live in another country. Machin, 2 days for my birthday. Congrats, my man. Almost congrats. Fantastic, my bro. Enjoy. Something like this could be nice. Yeah, this could be nice. Stop loss above that zone. If you break these lows here. That would be good. That would potentially be a nice trade here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we are in position. Let's go. There we go. Beautiful. Boom, let's go! That's fantastic. Okay, that's it. The first trade done, guys. Let's go. Who got it? Who got this trade right here? We're out. We're out. Boom. David says, got it. Wow. That was an easy trade. That's an easy trade. Why is it such an easy trade? Well, you saw a beautiful expansion. You started to create equal lows here. Very strict, exactly on that line. The moment we broke it, I was not even waiting for it to close because of these equal lows there. I wanted it to take it out, and boom, that's it. That's a nice start. Okay, we're waiting for other things to play out here. Potentially the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar and so on here. But yeah, scalping in between. Why not? Why not, right? That is great. Great beginning here. It's all about spotting these beauties right there. It's all about spotting these beauties. And to see how you can anticipate as fast as possible. Look at these particular setups here. Alright. Very, very nice. Let me fix some stuff here. I'm still, I don't know what happened here. There we go. Okay. That's number one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to the next trade here. There we go. Chrissy says my TP was right at the wick. Hopefully we still play out. Yes. I agree. It should have been now. Hopefully. So let's go to the next trade, guys. Again, I like what I see here. This is it's very, very similar to what we're seeing here. We're seeing that gap underneath. If we break that, then stop loss above that, but it's a little bit too tight. EURUSD, let's see. Hey, EURUSD is doing showing some stuff here. There is definitely there is definitely a nice gap underneath. I'm gonna miss that. I'm gonna miss that, I think. Let's see. Let's look at the dollar real quick. Dollar tapped into an area of demand. Came back up, create a higher high. More imbalance to be filled here. I mean, yeah, it could be. It could be a opportunity here. Let's see. Let's look at the dollar one more time. Okay. I kind of like it. I do like it. However, we need to come back down first. I think we need to come back down a little bit with the dollar to then make that move up. That could be the breaker. That could be the moment. I think the timing is just not there yet. Light says, did you enter any trade? Yeah, we just finished a successful USD cut scalp here. In the meantime, we're looking for regular SMC setups as well. But these are not, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Lorenzo, which team do you support for the world? I like the Netherlands, of course, because I'm Dutch. I do like that. Always supporting my country there. I like Portugal. And I like Germany as well. Germany is, I think the youth of Germany was very good. They have a lot of young players here. I do think there is a chance. They have a chance as well. But if I had to choose, I would choose my country, of course, the Netherlands. Okay, guys, keep in mind that the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar is coming very close here. In terms of news, I need to do a little bit more research here, but I do like what I see right now. Potentially, if we break these lows here and we close our body here, I'm looking, and then this is also, yeah, there is liquidity right now, and I do have to take that into consideration. But if these lows are taken out here, let me check the Asian sessions real quick. Yeah, targeting the London low, yeah, or the Asian high. Tapping into that zone, we saw that rejection already. The New York Open. Can the New York Open form? That's the thing. Let's wait for a lower low. Yeah. If we create a lower low, I'm gonna go short for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar here. And I'll put my stop loss then above the high. If we close a body underneath the zone, a 15-minute body underneath that area here. I'll put my stop loss there. I have a little bit more room here, so I could go a little bit more down. I would be fine with that. Something like this, yes. Either the Asian high, the Asian low, or the Asian high or the London low here. Yeah, I would go for that. I'm gonna risk what I risk usually as well with scalping. So you guys know that I'm gonna risk the same thing here, which is around 1%. A little bit less, like 0.75 here. Let's see if we can actually close a 15-minute candle underneath that zone here. Yeah, I do like it a lot. I do like this candle before as well. This indecisive candle before that. I do like it a lot, guys. I have to say. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar is coming up. Yeah, I do like it a lot. I do like what I see here. We tapped into that area of demand as well. There's more liquidity yet to be filled there. Yeah, going for the London high. Yeah. Yeah, I want to go short for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Mainly because of the news here. And because of the overall the formulation of the chart. Plus the sessions here. The London low. The key is here to be very patient. Not be in a rush. Wait for the candle closure. Something like this could be very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put an alert here, and we're gonna see again what will happen once we are once this specifically will get that target here. Because I do think it's a great potential opportunity. Absolutely. Let's look Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, that one is coming up here. Okay, then we're just gonna continue here with our search right now. We get the target right now. What is this? I don't know what that was. Oh, it's the candle itself. Okay. Let's go back to the charts here. Let's see if we can find again a next opportunity here. Hardly says Lorenzo, could you check my Australian dollar Swiss franc? Yes, definitely, man. Definitely. Check it out here. Thank you for the 200 likes, guys. I appreciate the support here. Thank you so much. That's very, very fast, by the way. Really, really nice. Thank you. Must be because of our US dollar, Canadian dollar trade here. Okay, US dollar against Japanese yen. Japanese yen is coming, US dollar, Japanese yen is coming up. No, not the setup here. Mark says, are you bullish or bearish on gold? I am bearish in the short term here. Or at least for this week, I'm pretty bearish for gold. Thank you for the sub, my man Mohammed Omar. What's up, my brother? How are you? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Gold has a really nice setup. Yeah, I do like what I see here. I do like the fact that we actually broke it right now. That's pretty good. Any retracement to the upside here could be a good trade here. Coming back to the upside, potentially taking out these equal lows here. But would not be surprised if we come back towards these lows, taking out these particular lows right there. That could be good. Clark, my man, is back. What's happening, my bro? How are you? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you're ready to rock and roll here. I'm almost ready to go short here, ladies and gentlemen, for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Not on the 1 minute, on the 15 minute here. You know, targeting maybe these highs or a little bit higher. Stop loss a little bit higher, let's see. But we're bouncing off this zone here. And I do believe that I think we're gonna break it. I think we're gonna come potentially down. Let's see. Very interesting though. There is a chance that we come back up first, take out some of that liquidity here. I think this is gonna be the move. I think this could be the move here. So that means that we come up, take out some of that liquidity, and then potentially reverse down. Potentially to the downside here. Targeting something like the, you know, you did the London lows. Somewhere around that range here. So this is definitely what I'm waiting for. That could be very good. Take out the liquidity first. Then wait for the break. Then enter the trade here. And then ride it down. That's the idea what we're having here for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar here. Yeah, it's let's be patient. Let's see. Let's wait up. While we're scalping here. Gonna send an alert right there. Marcus says, do you stream every day, bro? Yes. 4 days a week, my man. 4 days a week, Tuesday till Friday. Also, if you're new, my man, I highly recommend you to join our Discord as well. Because we're gonna go over a lot of things there. And we're sharing our weekly analysis as well. So yeah, we took already 2 trades from that. Oh no, 1 trade from the weekly analysis here. And then another one from this morning. The London Open is the... I really like to trade the London Open. Because it's so functional, right? It's so functional. You look at the chart for maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Then the Australian... then the London Open. You execute your trade. Done. That's it. 1 trade, boom, done. And then, you know, the streaming session in New York session here. Why Monday are you not live? The reason why is because of the manipulation in the market. And, you know, I took a trade yesterday. But I like to observe the market on a Monday. It's rarely that I take any trades on a Monday. Okay, we're coming up. We're doing what we want to do here. We're building liquidity to the upside. Let's just take out that liquidity. and then reverse price. That would be fantastic. Is the New Zealand dollar US dollar a sell stop? Yes. Will be a sell stop, yeah. Is there anyone in the trading space that I look up to? I mean, I look up, I'm looking up to. I mean, there are many. There are many guys that I like, definitely. There are many guys that I like here, that are putting in the work. Marcus says, are you a scalper, intraday trader, or swing trader? I'm everything. I'm everything. On stream, we mainly do intraday trading and scalping. At the same time, we combine both. So we're looking for a intraday trading setup. But intraday trading setups do not always play out on the stream. But if it does, it's very nice. But if it doesn't, we're in the meantime, we're always doing something. Either scalping, or, you know, potentially, yeah, intraday trading, let's see. Or both. Cabby says, how long have you been trading? I've been trading for 6 years already. Since the first crypto bull run. Not the first. Before the crypto bull run of 2017. A little bit over 5 years. Yeah, I do like gold as well. I like gold potentially. Let's see what's happening there. Yeah, so we came back up. Now in the 1 minute. We tapped into the zone here. We tapped into a zone here. If we break that low, then it's a scalp. Then it's definitely a scalping trade here. Definitely. If I take that low, I'll put my stop loss above that range, I target that level here, and then I'll keep a position. I keep, let's say, 50% of my position open, potentially, for further movements, for a bigger trade, to turn a scalp into a bigger position. Potentially. That could be nice. However, risk reward wise, we need to see a little bit more. Yeah, like a smaller high, lower high. Yeah, something like this right now. That could be interesting here. There we go. Yep. If you break the high, stop loss above that range. We're gonna... Yeah, exactly what we're looking for here. That's nice for gold here. That's very nice here. Keep a small position. I'm gonna cash out 50%. No, yeah, and I'll keep the rest open. That's it. Stop loss, not on break even. Yeah, almost on break even. If you close a body underneath this zone here, stop loss goes on break even. That's good. That's good. Let's break that body. Stop loss and break even then. Or close a body underneath that zone. We took out 50% already. Or actually, I'm going to do that right now. Small. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. It's very nice. Boom. Easy. Keep the rest open. Stop loss and break even. New Zealand dollar, guys. Let's go. Very similar. Three minutes. Till candle closure died there. That's very, very clean. Okay, we're moving. We're making moves here. Targeting the London low here. Okay, for the New Zealand dollar. There's a bigger trade setup. For gold. Boom! Congratulations, guys. Thank you for your... Thank man, it was a nice one. That's the second one for today. Our stop loss is already on break even right now. We took out 50%, so pretty much a scalp. We took out the money that we wanted to take out here. And now we are targeting lower. Of course, way lower targets here. Now this is nice. What are we targeting? Let me see here. Yeah, same thing. The London low. Could be a nice, could turn into a nice 4-1. Right there. That could be nice. Stop loss is on break even. So that's all good. The reason why stop loss is on break even is because we have broken the lows. We entered here when it broke the lows. You see what happened here? Rather than going into this particular order block right there and waiting for this to join and to take the risk, you just wait until we see a break here. Until you see a break right here. Breaking these lows, and then you put your stop loss above that zone. Very similar risk to reward. A little bit less. But overall, the confirmation is way, way higher here. And that's the beauty. Absolutely fantastic thing right here. Also the New Zealand dollar. We're gonna enter right now. I don't think we're gonna come up here in a minute. I'm gonna take it down. Put the stop loss above that zone, and I'm happy with the London lows here. This is nice. The combination of gold and New Zealand dollar against the US dollar right now is absolutely very, very clean here. It's very, very clean. Hopefully gold comes down more. But so far it's looking very, very good here. That was a beautiful, beautiful entry right there. We turned a scalp into a day trade. Okay, so it was initially a scalp from our regular scalping setup. We managed to turn this into a day trade right here. We cashed out 50% already. Keeping the rest open here. And stop loss and break even, of course. So no matter what happens, money has been made here. That's very, very nice. In terms of our day trading, our New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. 10 seconds to go. That's good. Did New Zealand dollar got triggered? I'm not in. I'm entering manually here. I'm entering manually. Gold is coming down more. Fantastic. That's very good. Let's go to the 15-minute right here. We entered pretty much at yeah, beautiful. Let's go for the London lows here. Let's go. That's a nice. That would be a nice setup. A beautiful trade here. Taking out the London lows here. Really, really clean. I have a very close eye on the New Zealand dollar. I'm not in yet. Thank you for the sub, my man. I appreciate it. Let's take out the London lows here. Cabish, legend. Congrats, my man. Best friend says, hey bro, touch on gold to make Asian lows. That's a good question. I was looking at it as well. I think it's definitely possible, yeah. It's definitely possible. The reason why is the following. Equal lows here, pretty much. Yeah, relatively equal lows here. Exact. Taking out these equal lows here is definitely an idea. But I'm definitely going to take some profits at the London low again. This is how I scale out of my position here. So, yeah. There is a chance that we break these Asian highs to take out these equal lows as well. But let's see what happens in general, right? We have our stop loss. Well, if I get hit on break even, then we made our money. And we look for a new trade opportunity. It's all about preserving your risk as much as possible in order to become a successful trader, to not get greedy, wait for a new opportunity. But I do like it. I do think it can turn into an Asian low, but I'm aiming for the London first here. That's very nice. The New Zealand dollar, I'm gonna enter right now. Yeah. I'm gonna enter the New Zealand dollar here. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. I do like it a lot. Yeah. Okay, I'm in position as well for the New Zealand dollar right now. I am in position here. Okay, I'm in position for the gold. We're going for the... I think we're going to go for the London lows first right now. Oh man, we're going to go hard here. We're going to go very hard here. The New Zealand dollar is coming down as well, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. I entered a little bit lower. I entered right here. 36 right there. 36. 46, sorry. There we go. Okay, we're gonna go. We're taking out potentially the London lows here. Coming back down. We are right now at a 3-1. We cashed out already 50% when we were scalping here. Okay, overall I do like a lot what I'm seeing here. Potentially taking out these London lows here. That would be fantastic here. That would be absolutely fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink real quick, guys. I'll be right back. I'll be back in a second. Give me 1 minute here. I'll be back in 1 minute. I'm gonna get a drink. Be right back. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back here. We're coming closer. I do like it. New Zealand dollar coming down a little bit. Still stagnating a little bit here. Overall, I do like what I see here. Coming back down potentially. We are in that zone here. That's the only thing. But I do think that there is a big chance if the dollar comes up here and gold comes back down further, that also the moment is when we can break that level here. It will be only better for us right there. So absolutely amazing. Systemic, good morning, my man. How do you determine your lot size? I have a lot size calculator. We call this tool the magic keys. It helps me identifying, automatically calculate my lot size. We call this trade managers that can help you manage a trade and automatically calculate the risk or the lot size for you based on your risk preference. All right. Your mic is loud. Let me know if my microphone is too loud. If so, I can put it lower. I think so. Yeah, I think you're right. That should be better. Let me know if this is better for you guys. That could be good here. Roberta says, who has no calculator says stop loss divided by pips. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're gonna wait patiently for our potential setups, guys. This is just how we're gonna do it here. Let's wait patiently. I do aim for the London lows here. Okay? I am definitely aiming for the London lows here. The dollar is potentially making a move here. We're trying to make a move to the upside right now. We have created a higher high on the lower time frame. You can see that we took out these highs here, which is quite good. But the question is right now, are we gonna come back to this area of demand, which is right here at the 10-minute right there, to potentially then from that moment continue to the upside, taking out more highs, hopefully to then potentially give us our confirmation or pretty much our London low for gold. And potentially also for the New Zealand dollar here. So let's see how this plays out here, ladies and gentlemen. In the meantime, we're going to look for some scalping setups. Again, sometimes there's like we did before, like we did today here, you could see that there was a very beautiful example of how you can turn a scalp into a day trade. Let's go over the 1 minute here. And let's see if we can find some scalping setups while we're waiting for our New York and gold to potentially to play out here. Keep a close eye on both. Look at gold first here. New York, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, there we go. Let me write down that this is the London low here. London low. And the Asian lows here. So we entered pretty much from here. Our break-even point was there. And that was also our scalping exit right there. And then this is the London low. New Zealand dollar will fall now on your chart. Let's hope so. That would be fantastic. Let's keep a close eye on both. Yes, we're coming down here. We're starting to come down right now. That is fantastic. Yes, there we go. We are coming up here. Hey, this is nice. This is beautiful. Especially for gold here. We already cashed out 50%, so that was really good. I do like, you guys know it, I like to take profits here. That was my biggest mistake when I started out as a trader. that was not taking profits as soon as possible. Alright? So I'm always taking profits when I get the chance here. It doesn't have to be a big amount, but I'm happy with it. And then I put my stop loss on break even whenever I can, whenever it breaks the lows. Such as right here. We broke these lows here. That was the moment to put our stop loss on break even right there. Take profits and break even. Put your stop loss on break even for your remaining position. We are coming closer and closer to the London low here, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. The London low is right there. We're gonna take again 50% profit off the 50% profit when the London low is taken out. And then for the Asian low, we're gonna keep the rest open. That's it. We're scaling out of our position here. New Zealand dollar. Looking not that strong at the moment. So I do like that. Gold's coming down. We're almost breaking the London. Cabby says, why do you set a break even instead of small profit? Yeah, I mean, you should not keep it too tight either, right? You should not keep it too tight as well, because you already took profits. So that's already good. And you still want it to be space, a little bit of space between. What do you use to trade? I like to trade gold. I like to trade the GEAU pairs a lot. One of my favorites, actually, especially during the London session. And I mean, I'm quite. I trade a lot of pairs in general. To be honest, I trade a lot of pairs here, but only when it makes sense here. Tech support. Which indicators are you using for the sessions? I'm using the Asian session range. It's one of the best indicators I've found here. FXN Asian session range by Rob Minty. Right there. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands originally. I do not live there anymore. Daily File says, can I put market execution order to close 50% of my position? On what platform are you trading? Let me know. How long did it take you to be profitable? Very long. Very, very long. Too long. Way too long. I made so many mistakes. But hey, that's why I'm here right now. That's why I can help people as well. Because of all the mistakes that I made. I learned the hard way. And I think that's only a blessing right now. Okay, no, you just need to close your position manually. Not open another position. I mean, you can hedge, but yeah. Okay. I'm already going to move my stop loss right now for the New Zealand dollar. Because I see a very, very nice thing here. So that will put my stop loss even lower. At 0.6145. Yeah, 0.6145. Sorry, 46. Keep it a little bit higher here. So that will save me a lot of... you know, I already reduced my risk right now. Which is very, very nice. Yes, we can come up. If we do break all of these levels here, then I'm maybe put it a little bit higher here. Maybe put it above this level. 475. I think that makes the most sense here. At the beginning, it was right there. Okay, at the beginning, our stop loss was right above that zone here. Now we are coming down here. I get more comfortable. I do think that this is already nice. That's already 50% less risk. Which I like here. I think it makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to change this real quick. And it's time for gold now. There we go, guys. What are we taking out right now? We're gonna go for the London low. The London low right here. That is fantastic. Beautiful. We're gonna take some profits very soon. Again. This is very, very nice. Very, very clean. First of all, I'm gonna put my stop loss of the New Zealand dollar a little bit lower. So I'm gonna put it at 614. Do it manually right now. 0.61 475. And closing gold again with 50% again. Boom. There we go. Managing trades accordingly, guys. Managing your trades accordingly. Absolutely amazing. Let's wait now. We keep the rest open no matter what. Stop loss is still on break even. We already closed a decent amount of our position right here. Stop loss is gonna go on break even still. We're gonna go for the Asia session. If you take out the Asia session with our remaining capital, we close our position in full here. So that's absolutely fantastic. I do like that. New Zealand dollar. Stop loss is now a little bit higher. So it's already reduced pretty much 50%. Which is also relatively, pretty good here. Stop loss is above that level. And there was a lot of resistance here. Like a lot of support here. So this will also turn into resistance if you come back up here. So we put our stop loss a little bit higher than that. And that should be perfect. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. Targeting, of course, the same thing here. Potentially the London lows as well. Gold has just taken out the London lows at this particular moment. We closed already 70% of plus 70%. Yeah, a little bit less. Like around 65% of our position. And we keep the rest open to take out the Asian lows here. Why? Well, the Asian lows are showing here equal lows here. We want these equal lows to be taken out. Alright? Guys, real quick, if you want to, first of all, join our Discord, I'm going to give all of these setups here in the Meta charts on a regular basis. And also a weekly analysis every single Monday or Sunday, if you want to be part of that as well. Plus, we're going to give a major event tomorrow. It's going to be very, very big. I expect more than 200 people here. Okay, London lows are taken out. Immediately, stop losses are getting triggered. What happens when stop losses are getting triggered? Most of the time you will see this reaction. Why? People know that. People know that there are a lot of stop losses here. They enter long as well. Of course, underneath the London low. And other people have their stop losses underneath the London low. So, a lot of liquidity there. Triggered. We're seeing that wick right now. That's why it's always good to take profits. Our remaining position is relatively small. But hey, we can still target the Asian lows potentially. Let's see. How much longer are you planning to hold the New Zealand dollar against US dollar? I mean, as long as possible here. As long as I need to hold it. Stop loss. The risk is already reduced in half. So no matter what happens, we make money today. So I can afford to lose this one as well if I need to. With still making a beautiful amount of money today. So I do... Same again. We were also looking at the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Remember? I decided to go for gold, and not the Japanese yen here. But again, there's a lot of liquidity underneath this zone. A lot of liquidity built up here. I think the Asian low is definitely a target right now. But you know, I read it. We took gold. We took a beautiful gold position here. So that was very, very nice. We're gonna look for other opportunities right now. Kassan says you are selling gold still. Yes, we entered gold. Yeah, we entered gold here. We sold here. We sold here. So we sold already around 70% of our position already. And our stop loss is already at break even. So whatever happens, yeah, it does not really matter anymore. But I'm still targeting potentially the Asian lows here. I expect some resistance right there. So yeah, let's see. Let's have a look here at some other pairs right now. And let's see if we can find something. Kiana says, Lorenzo, did you keep this default setting on the indicator or have you adjusted your settings? I kept it on default. I think it was fine. I think it was good here. The timing was perfect. But make sure it's the right timing. Let's see what else we have here. Let's go to the 1 minute. So it will reject and draw down again, you think? I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure right now. That's why I took my profits already. Let's see if it let's see how this plays out here. We're looking at some other opportunities right now as well. Gold is retesting. Let's have a look. Actually, let's have a look at the dollar. Okay, let's. I think that makes more sense here. Yeah, exactly. So we're coming into that zone. There's nothing really, really to worry about. We're coming into the 10-minute zone here. I'm waiting actually for it to come back down, because if you do come back down and we don't come up, man, gold, New Zealand dollar, they will drop very, very fast. So it's all about the dollar right here. What are we going to see at this particular zone? This is like a making or breaking zone right there. But I do like it a lot here. Alright, so in terms of our New Zealand dollar, we're coming almost up to our entry. Our stop loss is right above that zone. I think there's enough space. And we already reduced our risk significantly. So I do believe that gold, what you just said about gold here, I do believe that there is definitely a chance that you know, we maybe come back up a little bit more and then just come down here. I would not be surprised if that would happen here. However, do take in consideration, this is very important, that the London low is already taken out. The London low is already taken out here. The question is, are we going to go for the London, the Asian lows right now? I personally do believe there is a chance. And the reason is, of course, the dollar. We created a beautiful higher high structure here. Came back down, came back up, created a higher high structure. Coming down here, tap into that zone. Potentially come back up further. I do believe that it's possible. If that would happen, then gold will come down. And we have equal lows here. These equal lows are super important. Equal lows and, you know, some imbalance underneath that zone as well. So yeah, I think there is a slight chance here. And guys, thank you so much for the support. If we can get to 300 likes, that would be absolutely fantastic. We are at 268 likes here. Hope you guys made some profits as well, that you followed these trades today. We had two, yeah, one USD cut trade, one gold. And we are in a, yeah, we're still a little bit in gold and in New Zealand dollar here. So overall, I'm more than delighted. But thank you guys for the support since the last couple of months since we started. It has been a phenomenal journey, absolutely. Not just on YouTube, also on Discord, and no, we're almost yeah, 5,000 people in our group right now. It's really crazy. Mushi, I will check it out. Thank you, my man. It's very important. Thank you. I thought it was good. Okay, let's have a look here. No, I think it's good. Let me check here. No, it's good. It's good. We have the open here. The London open is exactly at 4 my time. Yeah, this should be done. This is correct. This is correct. New Zealand dollar, US dollar dropping. That would be fantastic. Then, or if the New Zealand dollar will come down all the way, or we put our stop loss on break even, then I have to say all our trades today were a success. That would be absolutely fantastic. Or maybe we're gonna scalp as well. We're gonna look for some new scalping setups here. But yeah, let's see. If we are getting rejected right here, let's say we're coming up. So let's say we're coming up right now. We're getting rejected here. We create a new low. Stop loss and break even. That's what we're looking for. Joan says, at what amount of pips do you take partials? That's what kills me, trying to always catch the full ride. Well, it's not really a certain amount of pips. First of all, with the scalping setups, I'm going for 1-to-1s. And I take profits no matter what. Or, you know, most of the time when I put my stop loss on break even, after we break a significant low or a higher high, That's the moment I take like 50% profits. And I put my stop loss on break even. I'm very excited to do the live trading with you guys also on, on Discord. We're going to launch a V2 very shortly this weekend. Tomorrow's the final day for our promo. We're going to close down here. Yeah, live trading together. It's absolutely fantastic. Looking forward to that. Live trading, live prop firm challenges. Trading competition. Okay, dollar is stepping almost in that zone here. Let's see how we react here. After that, we're gonna go back into to see how we react here. We're gonna go back to our scalping journey. Let's see how we react in this particular zone. We have another zone underneath that zone. Pretty much here. So we have a lot of support here. A lot of demand coming, stepping in, I think. I think that is a good sign here. Let's see how we react here. Niyoki says, please extend the promo to Sunday. Okay, my my remaining 30% is stopped out on break even, guys. But overall, we cashed out 70% in profits. I'm very happy with the result here. Very, very nice. I think we took out the London lows. Ah, it should be good. I think, yeah. Yeah, no, we took out the London lows here. And then after we took out the London lows, we immediately reversed to the upside. Pretty much immediately right there. So, that was a good trade. It was a very nice trade. New Zealand dollar is out as well. No. New Zealand dollar not yet. My stop loss for the New Zealand dollar is not even on break even here. It's a little bit higher, but I already reduced my risk with 50% here. Even if I would get stopped out, then I would not lose that much. Well, what we did, I think we took out some liquidity here. Yeah, we did. We took out a lot of liquidity above this range here. If we get rejected right now, that would be absolutely fantastic. We have that zone here. That area of supply right there. If we are breaking lows right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my stop loss even tighter. It's all about risk management here, guys. If we are coming down here, if we break this low, for example, first of all, I'm going to take some profits already. A little bit. And I'm gonna put my position on break even. But I'm already tempted to right now wait for this to be broken. If this is broken, stop loss underneath the zone here. Let's break this one first. Right now, for example, would be amazing. There we go. That's fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss right now even lower. You know, imagine, right? I started with my stop loss above this range here. I'm risking 0.75%. Right now it's already a third. It's already pretty much a fourth of what we were risking before. So instead of risking 0.75%, right now it's like 0.20%. However, the only thing, to be honest, what I want to see right now is a candle closure underneath that zone. So until that moment, I'll keep it at 675 here. Which is roughly 50%. So 0.3. Yeah, 0.35. I'm not sure exactly how much. So yeah, once it's there, we're gonna change. Once we close our position on the 1 minute, we're gonna put our stop loss on underneath this zone. So it's gonna be way better. So the goal is to reduce your risk constantly. So you have a certain amount of risk at the beginning, and the moment you break lows, or you know, the chart is playing out in your favor, and you want to actually benefit from that, you just scale also down your stop loss. Not up, down. Making sure that, you know, there we go. This is great. Wait for the candle closure, 30 seconds. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay, 12 seconds to go. Okay, there we go. Stop loss will go underneath the zone now. We're gonna look at some charts of you guys as well. We're gonna continue our scalping then after this journey here. What I wanna do is I actually wanna secure my New Zealand position ASAP. So my stop loss is on break even. I took some profit, stop loss on break even, and then every trade was a success here. So just want to create a lower low here. Want to see the 61.347 to be broken. Our stop loss was initially above the zone. Now it's only here. So we risk so much less already. And it makes sense here. It makes sense. We're gonna go back to scalping shortly. We're coming down right now. That's beautiful. So our USD cut trade was beautiful. Gold trade was closed right now in profits after we took out the London lows. Hopefully we see something happen for the New Zealand dollar. Our stop loss will go on break even. And we're going to close some profits here. So we're almost there. Let's already move our stop loss to this one right there right now. The dollar is looking good, exactly. Look at the 10-minute here. We tapped into that zone. Volume came in. Buyers stepped into the market right now. When this high is broken, you're going to see a massive decrease of the New Zealand dollar. But that's very, very nice. That's absolutely fantastic. So stop loss going, bro. On, I'm going to change my stop loss a little bit right here. To 0.61450. It's all about reducing risk here. 460 right here. So we have done, we're going to go a little bit of scalping. If you guys share me some of your setups right now, we're going to go over it in a second. Beer Bob says, can you look at ES, please? ES? Let me know what you mean, brother. In the meantime, we're going to go and look for some scalping setups here. Ah, the S&P, okay, yeah. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay, we came back down, we tapped into that zone here. If you break this high for the dollar, I'm very, very bullish here in the short term. Hannes says USD cut. Let's have a look here. That's a good question because we had this one in the weekly analysis here. We had the USD cut in the weekly analysis. We were talking about this one specifically already yesterday. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen played out here beautifully. The Euro Australian dollar is also coming very, very close. I think I have an alert set right now. Actually not. Actually not. We had actually our entry a little bit lower. But it's already taken out here. That's interesting. That's unfortunate because I wanted to take out these lows and tap into this zone. And to then take that trade back up here. But we did not do that. So we are already up significantly. So I'm not sure if this one is going to play out this week. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen played out beautifully. The USD cut, we had a potential trade set up as well. Alright, what's happening, ladies? Let's see, I think it was here, right here. Let's have a look. That's the dollar index. There we go. I'm not sure, I think it's... We came up already significantly. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Actually, we are... We actually came there. That was actually very, very nice on the 15 minute here. Let's go to the 15 minute. Oh, no. I have my position a little bit lower. Right there. We had the liquidity build up underneath that area. There we go. In terms of the USD cut right now, I do believe that we have to wait for the dollar. The dollar is the most important right now. Look at the potential trade opportunity. Australian dollar, US dollar, exactly did what we wanted here. Well, we did not take this trade. We took gold. We took gold instead. I think gold has more potential in terms of the risk to reward here. But look how beautiful it played out here. It tapped into that zone. Exactly. And then it took out all of these lows. Unfortunately, we did not take this position here. But look at the beautiful reaction. It's always good to get a confirmation of your setups. So that's very, very nice. Okay, let's go back to scalping here. Let's see what we can find. If you guys want to know what kind of strategy we're using for scalping, I think many of you guys already know it. But yeah, we have done 120 trades live already over the last 2 months. And it's called the liquidity per value gap scalping hybrid strategy right here. For the people that were wondering about this strategy. I can now confirm that it has a 70% win rate. Finally, after 100 trades. We need some energy back, guys. We need some energy, guys. Today has been a very good day for us. It has been treating us very, very well. But we need our song back. Where's our song here? There we go. New Zealand dollar is coming up here. Let's see if we can hold here. Oh man, that looks good. We tapped into that zone again. Let's see if we can actually hold there underneath that zone. Our stop loss is right now above it. However, we're only risking 0.2%. So that's not that much here. The goal is to secure this trade as soon as possible. After that, I'm happy. Every trade success for today. But yeah, we are still on the hunt for some scalping setups right now. We're seeing the expansion for the Australian dollar. So let's see if we can actually catch another one using our scalping strategy here. CU says, do you watch the World Cup? Yeah, I watched the Netherlands. I watched the Netherlands against Senegal. Okay, the euro against the Canadian dollar is definitely something that we're looking for. If we break this low here, but I want to build more liquidity to the upside. If we break that low, absolutely fantastic. Let's look here at the this euro Canadian dollar. Let's look at the indices. Very clean. Gold. I mean, gold was nice, yes, but I like the euro right now more. I like what I see for the euro here. The euro Canadian dollar, euro Australian dollar. Especially the euro against the Australian dollar I like here. Yeah, this is very nice. We took out a lot of liquidity here. Yeah, this is very nice. I like it a lot. So we have this zone here. And the euro Canadian dollar is very similar here. If we break that zone, this could be a good trade. This could be a trade here. Let's say we break the zone. Something like that. Yeah, very, very nice. Yeah, this could be one. This could be a trade here. Oh. I was too slow. I was too slow. I'm not in a position yet. I still had to check out the Euro index as well. All right, we got stopped out on the New Zealand dollar here. 0.20%. So our gold was good. USD CAD was good. Our New Zealand dollar, we got stopped out, but we reduced our risk almost by 4. So what I'm planning to do here for the New Zealand dollar, because my overall idea for the New Zealand dollar is still the same. And I heavily reduced the risk here. I'm looking for a new entry. And potentially wait for a new opportunity right now. Because I'm still looking for the same setup. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated here. I'm tempted to go for and look for a new trade setup. If we break something like this here. Of course, this will take out a lot of resistance right there. The funny thing is that our entry was pretty much already around this zone. So it will be a similar entry. If this is the case. So if you break this low here, I'm more interested right now in entering potentially again. Because then we have to take it out the liquidity, break the lows. Could then potentially come down here. So stop loss could be very similar. Right there, and the target of course way, way, way lower. Underneath the London lows here. But yeah, let's be patient here. And again, I'm risking, my remaining position. So let's say right now, let's put this sound back for a second, because this is quite important here. So the way I manage my trades here right now is the fact that I reduce my risk massively. Okay, there we go. Give me 1 second, guys. Wait for 1 minute closure here. So what I do, I reduce my risk massively already. I took it from 0.75% to 0.25%. Eventually, unfortunately, we came back up and we got tagged in that stop loss right there. So now pretty much we lost 0.2%. So what do we do now? I'm looking for the re-entry because the concept remains the same here. With the remaining 0.5%. I hope that makes sense. But it needs to make sense. You need to break the laws. In this case here. Chuck says, from personal experience, BE stops. Interesting. For me, it has been working very, very well. Stop loss and break even while taking 50% profit. And then leave the rest running here. When you break a significant lower low or a higher high. Let's see who joined our Discord here. Welcome, Stanley, my man. You just joined right now. Stanley007, my man, legendary. Chemo Red, Ching, Kabish. Kabish, my man. Welcome, my man, to our community as well. Gary. Blab. Apelion Dongluon. Majid. Oji. Ogi. Basra. Nice, brother. Welcome, my bro. Great that you're here, man. If you guys want to join, you can join. It's free to join. Links in the description. We have our mentor charts here. I share this with you guys whenever I take profits and position when I'm not live. When I'm live, of course, you know what I'm doing. When I'm not live, you can see that. A lot of announcements there as well for my streams and etc. And the weekly analysis is a unlisted video on my YouTube channel that is only visible for people that are in Discord. You can see my videos that are unlisted. I upload a lot of unlisted videos on my channel as well that are not visible for public, but that you can find right there. Especially the weekly analysis you will find there as well. So yes, let's crush it. We're going to release also a V2. It's going to be very, very exciting. Tomorrow's going to be a massive event. We have 190 people that are interested for our event tomorrow. It's going to be massive. It's going to be huge. Our biggest event so far. We're building out the best community, right? Sorry. John B says, why is the New Zealand dollar trade not a loss on the day score? It is a loss. It is a loss. Everyone, it is a loss 100%. We lost a percentage of our portfolio there, 0.2%. However, it's not related to our scalping trade. Our gold trade was actually a scalping trade. It started as a scalp. And we turned it into a day trade. New Zealand dollar was just an SMC trade. What's that keyboard with shortcuts for MT4, MT5? That's the magic keys. We're gonna give away one. Should I just give away one? Should I just do another giveaway here? I mean, I think it makes sense, right? What do you guys think? Shall we give away another magic keys? If you want, if you guys want, smash the W in the chat, guys. Then I will come up with a very good question. And the winner that gets it first will get one. It's the best scalping or trading manager I have been using so far. I'm not a promoter. I'm not an affiliate in any ways or form. Alright, I'll pay for it. It is pretty much, you can put in your risk. You're putting the amount of pips if you use pips as a tool to manage your risk. And within a second, boom, it automatically calculates your lot size without even having to calculate anything. Open a trade, you can double order. You can put your stop loss in profit, break even instantly. You can close full, half, custom, whatever you want. One click, boom, like that. Very, very, very useful here. All right. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Like, let's do it in like 10 minutes from now. We're gonna give away a magic keys right here. In the meantime, look for some setups right real quick as well. Some scalping setups right here, guys. George says, I'm still in the New Zealand dollar US dollar sell, just waiting. Okay. Okay, yeah. This is the reason why I personally put my stop loss lower. Because right now, if I didn't, then it would have been taken out already as well. But yeah, I do agree with you. Like, there is a big chance that we will not break this zone where our initial stop loss was. That's true. But then I'd rather look for a new entry that's around that zone. That's a little bit higher. Let's see if it's possible to place a comment there. Let me check here. Because we're gonna do it completely random. Let me see if it's possible here. No, it's not possible yet. Okay. All right. Yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway right now, guys. I'm just thinking about a question here that I can ask you guys. So the first one that gets that question will win the magic keys right here. I know you guys are fast. However, make sure that your live stream is updated. Okay, that it's not a delay. We usually have a 3-second delay here. But if you are updated, you're gonna be one of the first, you know, to be able to respond here. If you can get this to 340 likes, that would be amazing. But, you know, that's optional. We reached our target already. Thank you guys for today. Appreciate that. Okay, we're going to do the giveaway. I'm going to think about a question. It's gonna be funny. Okay, are you guys ready for a question right now? If you guys are ready, we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna give away 1 magic keys right here to the winner. Please, after that, send me a message on Discord as well. Okay? We're gonna go over it. We'll talk about it right here. It's gonna be useful. It's extremely beneficial for your trades. As your execution of trades are, first of all, faster. Your risk is better managed. And it's overall a very, very useful tool here. Okay, let's start our question. My question is gonna be... It's gonna be an easy one, but it's gonna be nice. You have to be quick. What is the ticker symbol of the German index? Let's go. I think we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. We have a winner. Who said it correctly here? The correct answer was the DAX 40. Right, people saying the DAX, but I wanted to see the full message. It's called the DAX 40. Right here. Alright. The DAX 40. Who was the first one that said the DAX 40 right there? Let's have a look here. Mitch says Jew. Geomax. Diago. You said DAX. We're looking for the DAX 40 here. My man, best friend. I owe you a magic keys, my friend. Congratulations. Amazing. Congrats, my man. Fantastic. I will send you the serial code after the stream. Great. Congrats, my man. Let's have a look at the let's look at the market right. Let's see what we can find. Xavier says, "Can we see your running position in MetaTrader, bro?" We just closed our positions. We are not in a position right now. We closed Our USD cut position was closed already. Gold positions were closed in profits. New Zealand dollar got stopped out at 0.2%. So it's just waiting for the re-entry here, potentially a little bit later. And right now we're looking for a new scalping setup here. What was the ticker symbol of the German index? I like that one. Thank you for the likes. We reached a true 340 likes. Thank you so much. More likes than viewers. Appreciate that. In the meantime, gold is still looking relatively, not that strong at the moment. We created a higher high. We tapped to that zone. We're coming up here. But I'm not that convinced yet about gold here. I think from the higher time frame standpoint right now, gold has more downside potential in the potentially this week here. I'm very, very curious to how the dollar also will play out here. And if you're going to see a massive turnaround or if you're going to stay above the Sunday open. If you're staying above the Sunday open tomorrow, I'll remain bearish for gold for the remaining week. Kabe says, so the thing is, it's a shame for me because I'm even German, but I didn't understand the question in the first place. We're gonna do this a lot more. We're gonna do this a lot more. Are there any setups you guys are in right now? Let me know. We can evaluate this. Maybe we can find another trade setup as well. I was looking at the Australian dollar, Japanese yen still, because I see the potential there. I am also looking at. Let me look at the 30-minute right now. Let's go to the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Okay, the euro against the US dollar. So far, the euro is looking relatively good here. I have to say that, to be honest, looking already on the lower time frame. That's quite interesting. But the dollar is still holding above an important zone. So I'm not. We're not there yet. That's interesting here. Peter Joost says, been holding Australian dollar, US dollar since last Thursday. Amazing. Yeah, GU. We were also in GU, guys, last week. We made some serious gains there together. Today, gold was also very, very good. The USD cut was a quick one. A quick scalp here. New Zealand dollar, not. The New Zealand dollar was stopped out. But hey, it's about risk management. It's about making sure that you manage your risk well. And this is why we succeeded with gold. We know exactly when to take profits, partially scale out of our position, Another reason why you guys should also always highlight the Sunday open here, guys, is because of this. This was the Sunday open. This was where the market opened here. Look how important it can be. It literally broke out of this zone here. Came back, came down, tapped into that area, targeted the Sunday open exactly on the dot and took off from there. So the Sunday open is something that definitely you guys should always highlight when using this. You can use an indicator that's literally called the Sunday open. You can leverage that. Very, very beneficial here. Okay, we're gonna go over a couple more setups to see if we can find something. If not, I think it's good for today. We're gonna head into the Discord, continue there. And the reason why is because, yeah, we took already our trades. We made our money today. So, yeah, I'm actually very happy with the result here. And I don't like over trading that much. So I'm only gonna look for the opportunities right now that make sense. And that have a higher probability, in my opinion. For example, the New Zealand dollar is still one of them. We just need to be patient here. We're tapping into an important zone right now. This is looking good. Look at that. But this is the reason why I wanted to re-enter right now and look for a new position because of this, right? Again, we got rejected here. We did not break the lows here. Or we did not create a chock or change of character right near to the downside here. On the higher time frame. But still, I'm still aiming for the London lows. To be taken out here. So, we are already tapping into that zone right now. As you guys can see here. And it looks like we're getting rejected already. At the same time. So what I'm gonna do? Same thing. Wait for a break here. I'm not gonna enter from here. So I'm not gonna put my stop loss, you know, enter here. Stop loss above that level here. No. I'm gonna break this zone. And I'm gonna put my stop loss above this zone. First of all, pretty much my risk to reward is almost the same. It's a little bit lower. Slightly. But my confirmation is there. That's the beauty. That's why I like it so much. It's it can be very, very beneficial here. But let's wait for a low to be broken here. I'm gonna look at some scalping subs in the meantime. This is definitely a trade that I'm looking for. Chat says, are you trading funded or your own account? So both. Besides that, we have also managed multiple accounts, sometimes even at the same time. And then we have a swing trade portfolio where we place pretty much fundamental trades only. Gold was one of them. I actually made a video on gold where we said, is this the reversal for gold here? And that was at the 1620. And yeah, that was a beautiful zone here. But this was definitely a swing trade because the stop loss was underneath that area. So it's a small, smaller lot size, longer term trade here from a fundamental standpoint. And then we have our intraday trading and scalping. Jess says, can I use BlueBerryMarkets from India? I believe so, yes. Yeah, links in the description, guys, if you want to join our broker. The reason why I'm using BlueBerryMarkets is, of course, because of the slippage. Spreads, yeah, of course. I always look at spreads. Killing spreads are never, you know, don't make any sense to use that or use any broker that handles a lot of spreads. But slippage, man. Slippage is where people get wrecked. So that's really where you need to make sure here. Do you ever do indices? Yes, I trade indices as well. Yeah, absolutely. Especially I scalp indices a lot. Actually, this is looking very, very good now I'm looking at it here. But yeah, of course, definitely. Equal lows here. Interesting. We got rejected here. We have equal lows underneath that area. And we have not taken out the London low. This is interesting, ladies and gentlemen. This is very, very nice. Wow. So we immediately reversed here. So we took out the Asian lows in the London session. We then took out the London highs. We tapped into an area of supply. We immediately came down. But rather than taking out the London lows, we created equal lows. Which is now the previous weekly low. This is very, very interesting here. This is definitely a setup I'm interested in. So that requires me to go back to the lower time frame. Right now. To look at potential zones where we can actually retrace from. This is one of them. I think it's on the 3 minute. That's on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. This zone right here. This particular candle right there. So what do you want to see here? You want to break this low. Actually, maybe you want to break this low right here, even lower. What is it that you target? The London lows. All the liquidity that's built up underneath that zone. I mean, there is a big chance you can break this low right here. Put your stop loss a little bit higher. And target these lows right there. I know it's not extremely high risk reward, but the probability is so high. I'm gonna keep you guys updated here. But this is very interesting in regards to the US 100 right now. Definitely look at some setups here, especially these equal lows that were created. Well, not taking out the London lows here. We took out the London highs already, so we took out the London and Asian highs. So very interesting here. Let's look at the VIX as well. So the VIX is pretty much. What happens with the VIX is the VIX comes down, the indices go up and the other way around here. So right now we're tapping into a massive zone. Again, we are right now here. At this particular breaker block here. Dev says, on Canadian dollar Swiss franc, I'm waiting for market to retrace to an area of resistance before getting in a sell, aiming for previous low. That same area is also the 0.5 fib. Well, what would your opinion on this be? Okay, while we're waiting for the indices here, for the Nasdaq, we can go over this trade here. So you are, sorry, what you said, waiting for retracement to an area of resistance at 71.193. Got the lower time frame, yeah. Yeah. Before getting in a sell, aiming for the previous low. I see what you mean. Pretty much you target the previous Asian lows here. I would aim a little bit higher. I would go for the 71.27 here. And wait for the confirmation here. This is actually pretty much the same thing that happened here. Very similar to what happened the day before that. But on the other hand, you are right about the zone here, which is the Sunday Open. And the Sunday Open is also a lot of resistance here. So I actually like what you were sharing here. That from that particular range right there. I do like it. I do like it, yes. Chat says, is fair value gap and imbalance the same? Yeah. I would also not be surprised if this would happen here. We have these equal lows sitting there. Tapping into that zone. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna head into Discord a little bit. I'm gonna do some homework for you guys. We have a massive event tomorrow. If you want to be part of that, then, you know, click on I'm interested right here. It is absolutely fantastic. All the new members, welcome to our community. We're building something absolutely, you know, fantastic here. I appreciate all the support. Really, it's truly a blessing to have you guys all here right now. Okay, we're gonna go over it. I'll keep you guys updated in the meta charts as well for any new setups that I'm using or taking and looking for. Besides, of course, the weekly analysis and the remaining setups as well, like the euro against the Japanese yen, the USD CAD, and so on and so on. So I'll keep you guys updated there. Also, in the meta charts will be posted all in there. Pretty much what I'm going or looking for an entry here. Hope you guys liked the stream today. We made some money. Beautifully, we made some money with the gold. With the USD CAD here. Gold was a really, really good one. And, you know, even these tight loss of the New Zealand dollar was completely fine here to end up in positive numbers. So thank you guys so much for today. Tomorrow we're gonna be back with a new stream. I'm excited as well. Tomorrow, New York session, we're gonna be there. Hope you guys are ready there tomorrow. We're gonna continue our journey, continue to look for pips. Also, more about educational content is of course in our Discord. We're gonna release our V2. Our promo ends tomorrow. After that, we are closing down. So if you want to have more information about it, you can find more information there in our Discord as well. Thank you guys so much. Absolutely enjoyed the stream today. We made some money, so it's always good. Let's come back tomorrow. Fresh mind. New day, new pips. Gotta be amazing, guys. See you tomorrow. And thank you so much. Ciao.